Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can make a factory data reset with the Samsung Galaxy S10. So for that we need the power button, the Bixby button and the volume up button. And if you press these both buttons at the same time, you have to hold it until you see that, leave it. And now we should see Android. There he is. And we see that special menu. You cannot work here with your finger. We just need the buttons. So the volume up button is to go up, the volume down button is to go down. And to confirm, use the power button. So we need now the wipe data factory reset. So, and after you have selected, go on OK. And he's asking now if we're really sure. Yes, we are. Oh no. OK with the power button. And it takes a few seconds now, and after you are able to reboot the system directly, and then it will takes a few minutes after he's back again, and you will completely reset the phone, and yeah, then you have to do everything from the beginning. Sorry, like to install a Google account or Samsung account and so on and so on. So it takes time. Just relax, and yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao. Sorry for my voice. Ciao.